If you've been wondering how to set up Mailchimp from scratch, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the basic setup step by step so you can get your account organized, add contacts, customize your brand, connect your tools, and start building automations for email and SMS marketing. This is a simple beginner-friendly guide, so even if you've never used Mailchimp before, you'll be able to follow along. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll want to start with the most important part of any email marketing setup, and that is your audience. On the left-hand side, click Audience. This is where you manage the people who will receive your campaigns, so it's the foundation of everything else you'll do inside Mailchimp. Next, click Add Contacts. From here, you can begin building your list by importing contacts you already have. If you're moving over from another platform, or if you already have customer emails saved elsewhere, this is where you bring them into Mailchimp. Then choose Import Contacts. This option is especially useful if you want to upload a list for future mail campaigns instead of adding every contact manually one by one. Always make sure your contacts are organized and that you have permission to email them, because clean and compliant lists perform much better. After that, move over to Content. This section is where you can manage the design side of your Mailchimp setup. Inside Content, click Brand Kit. Your Brand Kit helps keep your emails consistent and professional by storing your visual brand elements in one place. Here, you can upload your brand colors, logo, fonts, and button styles. This is one of the most important setup steps because it saves time later and makes every campaign look like it came from your business, not a random template. Take a few minutes to upload your logo and choose the colors that match your brand identity. Set your fonts so your emails have a consistent look, and adjust your button styles so your calls to action stand out clearly. Small details like this can make a big difference in how polished your emails feel. Once your branding is ready, go to Integrations and connect all your apps. This step helps Mailchimp work with the other tools you already use, whether that's an e-commerce platform, a website builder, a CRM, or another business app. Connecting your tools makes it much easier to sync contacts, track activity, and automate marketing tasks without doing everything manually. After that, click Automations. This is where Mailchimp becomes really powerful. Automations let you set up email workflows that run by themselves based on actions, timing, or customer behavior. If you want to save time and stay consistent with your marketing, automation is a must-use feature. Then, if you want to automate mail and SMS, click Flow Templates. These templates give you a starting point for building automated customer journeys. Instead of creating everything from scratch, you can choose a template and customize it for your audience. This is perfect for welcome sequences, follow-up messages, promotional campaigns, and more. The more you use templates, the faster you'll be able to build repeatable marketing systems inside Mailchimp. As you finish your setup, take a moment to review everything carefully. Make sure your audience is organized, your brand kit is complete, your integrations are connected, and your automations are ready to go. A strong Mailchimp setup makes campaign creation easier later and helps you look more professional from day one. And that's it. You now know how to set up Mailchimp the right way. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more step-by-step software guides, and let me know in the comments what tool you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.